So now we are going to debate on topic climate change, and here is me with Ratnesh Mishra. We are going to debate on the climate change. So, Ritesh Mishra ji,
Yes, sir.
did you study today's The Hindu's editorial?
Yes.
So, what was you finding in that article?
So basically, the article is all about how we can prevent our climate, in a very systematic way. So first of all, the whole central idea of the discussion of the article is that our climate law is very scattered in some manner. So author just want to convey us how we can systematic our law with regarding to climate. So she just give two or three some point, and she discuss in very wide range, and after that he comes in conclusion to prevent some types and some tools with respect to some tool and prevent some law in a systematic way.
So you are absolutely right. Here is a very we are going to suffer from the very biggest climate problem, like the greenhouse gas effect and the global warming, because we have a long coastal border with the sea, so that our most of the areas बंद कर दीजिए इसको our most of the areas have been now immersed due to the raising the sea level, so that it is now a convention that was held on the Glasgow, which is a city of Scotland, on the climate change. It is like a G20 summit. So India has gone with the net zero emission by 2070. So, do you know about net zero emission? Have you any idea, or you want to giving us some clue about the net zero emission? It is related to greenhouse gas.
Net zero, I don't know deeply about it, but it's just like zero emission is like no use of no use fossil fuel and pollution and pollution types of things. So I think this is the no emission gas.
Absolutely, absolutely. Uh, Net zero emission means we have no any emission, any kind of emission in the form of carbon dioxide, methane, oxides of nitrogen, and the sulfur dioxides. It is a net zero emission. So that our today's article is on the based upon the how India is going to make a law that is useful in the abatement of the climate change, so that in this context, India has to form a firm law that is relating to the climate change. When any person is going to infringe that law, then it should be punished as it violate the criminal procedure code. So that for that law, India has to maintain a institutionalization setup along with the committee on the climate change, so that some decade before, India had passed various law like the Air Pollution Prevention Act, Water Pollution Prevention Act, and Environmental Pollution Prevented Act. But in
It
uh,
it doesn't work. It didn't work on cyclone and natural disaster types of things. So just in article, author just want to say to us how we can tackle the natural disaster
Natural
things,
disasters.
because we have only the things that human made climate uh, climate change. So you just told a few decades ago, in 1982,
1984,
1984, 1981,
Yes,
and
1971.
1972 or 1978, I think. I don't
Okay.
exact
It's near
right.
about that.
So the author just after this thing, author just want to tell the how we can systematic improvise these things. So first things she just want to tell us कि just कि
It comes in the
it comes in
ambit
the,
of criminal procedure code.
criminal procedure, and
Individuals
we
should
can
be punished.
we can invigorate our criminal
Hmm.
law with respect to climate things.
Hmm.
So here is the some things, and she want to tell us our system will manage in 2030, but in my view it's not possible
It's
in
not
India,
possible in India.
because India is a wide level of poverty, and some
Huge population.
huge population and wide range of uh, population. So what's are your view about this?
I thought that it is not coming in a single step, but it comes gradually.
Yeah.
So that first we have to commitment about the proportion of renewable energy of the whole production of energy is to be increasing gradually, not in the sudden manner. Then after we have to switch on the electronic mobilities and various infrastructure related to that, and we also habiting about the using of the public transport instead of using our private cars and bikes. So and we also have to production of fuels other than the fossil fuels, like the fuels from the alcohol and the Jatropha plant, so that it can be a miracle to the combat of the problem of the climate change. But the basic problem relating to the mitigation of this climate change is that India is now suffering from the huge poverty and the COVID-19 pandemic. So it is a huge population. So India's whole of the its fund is diverting toward the vaccinations and the basic health necessities to the its citizen. Despite of that, India is also commitment toward its goal, like diminishing the emission of the greenhouse gases till 2070. Or for that, India is now moving toward the production of renewable energy around the 30% of its whole production. So, Ratnesh Mishra ji, you have also noticed that our rail wagon, which is using to transporting the coal from its
Yeah,
source
yeah,
position
it's-
to the industry,
Yeah,
it is not cover
it's not covered.
on its roof.
And the current situation in India, we have not so much, not us, s- not
Able to.
not able in the current situation, we have not so much coal to use in our country. So we, I think in I read in an article that India wants coal with foreign countries.
Yes, 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 yes.
So we continuously polluted
Hmm.
our environment, and after all we can't manage our coal system. So overall our system is not managed in not managed in some way. And one thing I noticed in an article, the author is very hypothetical in our environment system, because he is not talking about ground level.
Ground level.
The thing is, India is a huge country, and the things is happen in India is second to second. And the one thing, if we will change in India, then we can manage the system, a
System.
hierarchy of anything, hierarchy of many things. We can systematic things, and then we can find the solution of anything.
Yes, yes. You
So
You are absolutely right in your view that first we are going towards the awareness of the people about the environment degradations. If the people once knowing about what is the environmental degradation, then they will be also definitely going toward its prevention and check measures to climate change and various other kinds of the pollution that they are emitted in the environment. But we have lowest per capita carbon emission in the world, despite of we are using the third largest oil import from the Gulf nations, but we have the lowest per capita carbon emission in the world. But we have suffering from the huge population explosion, so that when it is counting in the number, we are lies in the very bottom in the ranking of the climate performance country in the world. So that, but we have a good commitment toward it, and I hope that in the future we will be going to achieve that target to mitigate the climate change that we have promised previously. So that it's all about in debate. Thanks very much for watching. Bye bye.